Hi everyone, today is really a special day and you have made this a special day for me. So thank you very much for bottom of my heart. What is it? Yeah, you can see it is the gift sent by YouTube. First of all, I would like to say you thank you very much from bottom of my heart, and whatever I am today and whatever gift I have got from YouTube, it's your, not mine. It is not possible without your contribution. So, without any further delay, I would like to open this, and I would like to be a technical guru for a while. So, just now let me become a technical guru for a while. Yeah, this packet has been sent from YouTube by DTDC courier. Okay, I think this is the Indian courier, but this button comes from America. So it took me like 1 month to get this button. So I would like to cut this packet. This was packed here. I would like to cut this part as well. Now finally I'm getting excited. Oh gosh, how to open it? I don't know. Oh, just wait. How? Okay. I have to cut more. Oh gosh, I can cut table as well. I'm so much excited. I may cut table. Oh. So now finally I have opened this packet. Okay, so what is in packet? First, this is the black like foam or something like this, through which it is covered. Here is a congratulations message by, I don't know, by YouTube maybe. And this is the letter which has been sent by Suzanne. Okay, Suzanne Wojcicki. I don't know how to pronounce this name. Okay, sorry, this is a very complex name to pronounce. So they are saying me, do you remember your first subscriber? You got 100th or 1000 subscriber, but it is saying, do you remember you have a 1 lakh subscriber now, 100k. Okay, so they are giving me thank you message from this button. Okay, now finally, wow, God, this is the final button. How it looks like, you can see beauty of this button. Okay, so it is packed in this polythene. Okay, so I would like to open this polythene. Oh, finally, let me open it. Yeah, this is the final look of this button, and let me show you what is written on it. Yeah, it is written English Finglish for presented to English Finglish for passing 1 lakh subscriber. So once again, now you can see the beauty of this button, how beautiful this button is, and it is because of you. So thank you very much once again everybody for having me this button. Now I will not show my face, I will show this button to you from onwards. Just, yeah, this button looks beautiful than my face, isn't it?